why don't you guys just bring it all here or manufacture it here? Kasi I know that the capabilities of the Philippines are at that level, or ito bang medicine ito, sobrang super medicine that we can't manufacture it in the Philippines?
Kung merong gustong generic company in the Philippines na gustong kumuha ng lisensya at manufacture, yes, they are welcome to apply to like make their own version of the molecule. Pero the reason we wanted to go to these 7, 8 other generic companies is because we increase kagad the manufacturing capability and capacity. We're just one company. How many billions of doses do we need to make?
Okay.
Right? So, number one, we really need to increase access. We need to improve access. We need to bring down also the price. So by allowing these generic companies to compete with each other, bababa ang presyo. A really good example of that is what Gilead did with their own drug called remdesivir during this start of the pandemic.
Yeah.
Nung nagsimula yung remdesivir in the country 18 months ago, it was about 120,000 pesos for 5 days.
Yes.
Today, you can have it for 6,000 pesos for 5 days. Because there are at least 5, 6 companies competing to sell the brand, to sell the molecule. That is the value of competition. Competition and, of course, manufacturing capability to bring out more tablets kagad so that we can reach everybody who needs the drug. Because in truth, if you think about it, so long as you identify somebody who is a potentially at risk, they can immediately start the tablet. Yung total daily cases natin, sabihin na natin, let's say 10,000 cases per day, that's 10,000 individuals who could potentially get on the drug immediately. Who has that manufacturing scale? Not just one company. You need more. You need more people able to make that drug. We actually have ramped up production already. The company has already invested in manufacturing also 10 million doses, or 10 million courses, I think that's the word that we're using. 10 million courses have already been programmed, and we're ramping up production of these. Now, itong mga generic companies, we've signed them on since the end of April this year. So it's not just now in October na pumirma tayo. April pa lang, we already signed with them. And some of them already have invested manufacturing. But syempre, they have to wait also for their own, they have to wait for some kind of regulatory approval.
Okay, how strong is molnupiravir as a medicine? Kasi, di ba may mga gamot na pag ininom mo ng tuloy-tuloy, butas ang bituka mo without asking a doctor, bubutasin bituka mo. Meron namang mga gamot that if you take it could cause side effects, and especially for people with comorbidity. Is this a passive medicine, if you get my point? You know,
I understand what you're trying to say. So far, excellent safety profile pang nakikita namin. It's really quite clean, like I said at the start. We've not seen any side effects of concern na specific, itong gamot na to will definitely cause like this, like this, like this. Wala. Wala kaming nakikitang ganun so far in all of the thousands of patients tested. Of course, 10 years from now, if there are millions of people exposed, each individual is slightly different from the next person, there may be new side effects that may come up. Who knows? There can always be an allergy in the future, right? That can come out. We don't know that.